and their families. We have established multiple initiatives under the umbrella to enhance their visibility. We warmly welcome every one of you, to join us and support this endeavor. Our initiatives are as follows. We the People Dream focuses on humanitarian efforts. Feminista addresses issues related to domestic violence, malnutrition, health, hygiene, and more. Realistic Production serves our media platform to showcase talents of creative individuals. India International Film Festival of Boston encourages and presents short films, documentaries, and features films to audiences during this festival event. So sit back, relax, enjoy this beautiful evening. Thank you so very much for coming tonight. And now I would like to call upon Tapasya Srivastava, who is who's a founder of BTC Films and BTC TV, and she will also have some excitement announcement to make, I'm sure. So let's hear it, Tapasya Srivastava on the stage at IIFFP 2023. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Sonali. That was an introduction I wasn't expecting. Thank you all for coming out tonight. ये जो हो रहा है आप लोगों के support से हो रहा है. We wouldn't be here if you weren't here. So let me start the evening by welcoming you all. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, filmmakers, movie enthusiasts. It is with great pleasure and excitement that I welcome you all to the India International Film Festival of Boston, our 6th year. This year we have gathered here to celebrate the magic of cinema, to honor the creativity and dedication of filmmakers from around the world, and to immerse ourselves in the captivating stories that they have the power to tell, which inspires, entertains, and provokes thought. Our festival has always been committed to fostering a sense of community and dialogue among artists, industry professionals, and the likes. It's a place where emerging talents meet seasoned veterans, where creativity knows no bounds. I would like to welcome everyone who's here, and as I'm calling it, a star-studded evening. Tare Zameen Par Aa Gaye Hain. Farida Jalal ji is here among us with her son, all the way from Mumbai. Please give her a big round of applause. I would also like to welcome a few other guests that we have with us tonight. Gajendra Ahir ji, also from Mumbai, Vivek Singhania ji, Rahat Shah Kazmi, Harvinder Singh, Amitabh Gupta, Subrata Das, Kunal Srivastava, and Gargi Dugal, who are all with us tonight. So let's kickstart the evening. I'm going to call upon Razia Mashtoor, the founder of IIFFB, to welcome everyone and kickstart the evening.
Thank you, Tapasya, Anu, and Sonali. Thank you so much. Without you guys, I know I can't do everything. So, first of all, thank you so much, everyone here sitting somewhere. जितने भी लोग यहाँ मौजूद हैं, thank you so much from bottom of my heart. Because of you, we are here, and because of your constant support, we are here in our 6th India International Film Festival of Boston. It's a very newborn baby. We have to go so many things need to change, need to fix, और maybe something जैसे हमें बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो हमारे जहन में हैं, लेकिन अभी हम उनको पेपर पर या अमली तौर पर करने के लिए खड़े पूरी तरह नहीं हो पाए हैं. As we said, it's a very very small और बेबी है, वो क्रॉलिंग कर रहा है. बहुत सारी मिस्टेक्स हो रही हैं, बहुत सारी गलतियाँ हो रही हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें भूल रहे हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें मिक्स हो जाती हैं. पर having said that, still we are here because of you. You never told or say anything about negative, or your feedbacks are always very positive. We love that when we hear back share with you, but because we are late, less than the program schedule, and in between, I will be here. And thank you so much, Farida ji. Thank you so much. You are here, I think, less than 48 hours or so. आपका visa, आपका biometrics, आपका interview, everything is happening in just 3 days. And as I told, yes. And on Thursday, Yasin said, Razia ji, I think let's move on. I will talk to mom. We will go on the Zoom and we will talk on Zoom live during the show. And it will happen. So I told him that Yasin, मैं बहुत जिद्दी हूँ और मैं Friday तक हार नहीं मानूंगी. Friday के बाद I will go with the plan B. But luckily, somehow, thank you so much, universe, for giving me this beautiful, very intelligent, or very smart team. Priya told me, when Priya told me, Razia, you just met Edmarty, why don't you connect? I said, okay, I can connect, I have their contact, but I'm not the right person to approach. So and then suddenly, oh, Shahid Bhai is here in the community. Why don't I call to Shahid Bhai? And I did call Shahid Bhai. Shahid Bhai, thank you, Shahid Bhai. I'm literally lost of my words कि मुझे नहीं मालूम मुझे आपको किस तरह शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहिए कि आपने तत्काल वीज़े का प्रोसेस 24 आवर में है done. And Farida ji is here and she is sitting in between us. So thank you everyone. And back to Tapasya. Thank you so much everyone.
Thank you very much. Well said. On that note, I would like to invite our chair couple, Mr. and Mrs. Shahid Ahmed Khan, on stage to say a few